of the story. Going with the import wizard. What is this import wizard? Salesforce has provided built-in wizard for insert update. Salesforce has provided built-in wizard for insert and update. For the data loader, what you are doing? You are using a ETL tool. You are downloading a ETL tool, installing, then connecting with the Salesforce. When you say import wizard, it's a declarative tool provided by the Salesforce. Look at the point. Setup, data administrator, then we have data management. In the data management, what you are finding here? Data import. So what is the format you are finding? You can go back, setup, administer, then we have data management, then we have import wizard. When you select the import wizard, then you are finding here a spot, launch wizard. Then, when you say import wizard is going to support only 4 objects. Only 5 objects is going to support. There are only 5 standard objects which are supported. What are the 5 objects? Accounts, contacts, leads, solution, campaign number. How many standard objects are supported? Only 5. What are they? Account, contact, lead, solution, campaign numbers. What are the standard objects it is going to support? Account, contact, lead, solution, campaign numbers. At the same time, what are the custom objects it is going to support? All the custom objects. All the custom objects are supported, but standard objects. But how many standard objects are supported? Only account, contact, lead, solution, and campaign number. Now, when you are going for a import wizard, how many records it can support? It can only support 50,000 records. Import wizard can support how many records? 50,000 records. Import wizard can support how many records? 50,000 records. Import wizard can support how many records? 50,000. Whereas the data loader, 5 million records. Data loader is going to support 5 million records. Import wizard is going to support only 50,000 records. Let us see. Now I am going for custom objects. Choose the object, customer. Now is an example of writing application. Now everything that I am opening, where is that? Everything is on the single page. Everything is coming on the single page. Add a new record, update the existing record, or upsell the records. Add a new record. Then you want to check any duplicate record? You want to check for the duplicate record? Now it's your choice. Now I told you, data loader when you are trying to insert, it will not check for the duplicate. But when you are going for import wizard, it is going to check for duplicate. Then choose the file, CSV file. Choose the file. Yeah. Choose the file. Next. What happened? These are the fields in the CSV. These are the fields in the CSV. Now we need to map. Which field in the CSV is mapped into which field? Click on the map. Select the field. Mapping I am doing. Mapping I am doing. I need places. Map the fields. Next. Start. So what I am using? Import wizard I am using, and I am mapping the fields. Now the data is. Now, are you getting the success file, error file here? When you go for a data loader, instantly you are getting what? Success file, error file. But here is a queue-based operation. The job will be added to the queue, and once the job is completed, I have to take. When you go for a data loader, it's instant. Success file, error files. If something goes wrong, I can find out the error files, I can re-upload them. But here it is not a instant. It is not instant. It is not instant. When you are going for a data loader, how many records it can support? 5 million records. When you go for wizard, 50,000 records. When you go for data loader, how many records? Like what are the standard objects it is going to support? Lead, account, contact, opportunity, then price book, product, event, task, user. What are the standard objects that it is going to support? Import wizard, account, contact, lead, solution, campaign number. Now data loader will give you instant success file and error file. Whereas the import wizard will give you queue based. We need to wait for the result. You'll get an email alert. Go to the email, register email, you get an alert. Then come back and see the file. It's a queue based. Are you getting my point here? Are you getting? What is the advantage of data wizard? What is the advantage of data import wizard? It can check the duplicate records. It can check a duplicate record. No need to install anything. It's a built-in wizard. For the data loader, we are installing, then we are performing. Wizard is what? It's a built-in. No need to install anything. Directly log in, click on it, use it. It is a built-in wizard. Data loader, we have to install. Data loader, we have to install. Whereas this is built-in wizard. It is a built-in wizard. I hope I am clear. Right. Now, next. Similarly, like import wizard, we also have export wizard. What is an export wizard? Go to data management. We are finding as what? Data. When you click on data export, export. Now it is giving export. I told customer object. Or let us say customer object export. Is it asking you which fields you want? Is it asking you which data you want? No. I want only customer name. But what it is exporting? All the fields of customer. I need only customers which are created today. But what it is giving? All the customer records. When you say export, it is exporting, but it is not giving a choice to choose which fields I want. It is not giving me a choice to choose which records I want. Simply the entire object is exported. Now when you want to take a backup, this will be useful. When you want to take a specific data, data export is not suitable. I have to go to data loader and do it. What is the best choice for you? Data loader is the best choice. Suppose if you have, I am a sales executive. Now I want to upload the data. When I want to upload the data, you will not have data loader. You will not have an access to data loader. Then what will you do? I will go for built-in wizard. I will go for what? Built-in wizard. Are you getting my point? Are you clear about this? So what is the best tool for data uploading? Data loader. Its best tool is what? Data loader. You have a small set of data, wizard. Small set of data, wizard. I hope you are clear. People are clear with this? Right. So this is all about import wizard and data loader. People have received the points. Any query on this? We are trying to understand whatever it is. What is this whatever it is?